Y'all, we are planning for an overnight flight to Europe, and this is a freaking joke. I just can't. I've been searching for a better neck pillow, and this might be the one. I was sent this one from Renpho to review, so let's check it out and see if it checks all the boxes. Oh my, this thing is a beast, and I'm so excited. We've got the sound canceling headphones that is gonna support your head, and blockouts. Oh my gosh, blockout sounds. We've got looks ridiculous, but oh my gosh, it's kind of flat here, so that won't be like shoving you forward from the seat. Sorry, I can't even hear myself. I don't know how loud I'm screaming. And then you've got this part, which it's not like a strangling feeling, but it's just nice right under your chin to keep you from bobbleheading. So you're not gonna fall left, you're not gonna fall right, you're not gonna go back or forward, you're just like here. Really, really memory foam softness. So nice, this material. Oh my gosh, let's get a chair to try this out in. I'm in this massage chair, which kind of mimics the size and the recline of a regular airplane seat. Well, let's see if this will be a good way to test it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am in love. This thing is amazing. The only negative is that there's no like easy way. I mean, you could just pull them off a little bit to be able to hear like the flight attendant or your child next to you or something, but that's freaking amazing. This is what you need from Renpho for your next flight. It is bulky. You're not gonna wanna take up your personal item space with this, but you can kind of strap it like that and have it hanging onto your backpack. You can just kind of like throw it on your shoulder, hang it from an elbow. It does come with this carry case though. You can just put it in there and close it. That way you can hang this from a backpack or your carry-on suitcase luggage, whatever, and then it'll protect your pillow, keep it nice and clean. It does have a zipper, so you can detach the pillowcase to wash it. The instructions are in the user's manual. These are so soft, not gonna hurt your ears. Everything is just so soft and cozy. The inside here, there's no Velcro. That's all under this part, which is super adjustable to get exactly for your neck size. So nice, it's so, so nice. And here's my son demoing it. Come forward a little. Your ponytail can go over the top, so that's a nice little bonus. This thing is honestly amazing. I'm so excited.